And welcome back. A busy weather picture coming up this evening. And outside of the state of Wisconsin, though, and parts of Minnesota and Iowa, there is a severe thunderstorm watch that we're keeping our eye on. For us, though, it's parts of Clark County and parts of Adams County as well. See these counties right here under a flash flood watch until tomorrow morning because of training thunderstorms that could make things a little on the rough side. Now, what does that term mean? Thunderstorms that will go over the same path over and over again and dump a lot of rainfall. And we're seeing some rainfall right now kind of developing here. You can see the system's really kind of setting up shop as it's moving across parts of the region at this time. They are below severe limits, so nothing to worry about right now. Adams County had a little cell move through earlier. Things are quiet for now except for a few showers, and that'll kind of be the overall theme tonight. It's moving in a little bit of a west-east direction at the moment, and it's because we have this nice little ridge setting up shop, which is causing all this precipitation to move on through. This front has stalled on out, so plenty of precipitation to move on through over the next few days, though. So your outlook, though, the latest outlook for severe weather chances, we're at a slight risk. That's the second of the 5 categories. So there's a chance isn't 0, but it's not the greatest either. And then the marginal risk of smaller chances of perhaps some stronger storms. Hail and damaging winds will be the best risk if any storms decide to get going. We'll of course keep you posted. Right now, unfortunately, it's very dreary out there. Cloudy skies, not helping with strawberries out that you heard earlier on in our newscast, and those clouds will not be clearing out of here for a little while. We're basically in the 70s area wide. It's kind of all over the place, upper 70s and some lower 70s and others where they saw some rainfall today. And rainfall, you can see why we have flash flood watches up for parts of our counties. This is one model's thinking a decent amount of rain where storms will kind of go over the same area across our southern counties. We'll have to keep an eye on that. I think these results are a little bit excessive, but a decent amount of rainfall could be seen tonight. And dew points, though, this is why you could see some heavy rainfall. Dew points like this is Florida air, and you're going to see a lot of that today and tomorrow, which is why you'll see all that rainfall and again those flash flood watches. Right now we're in the mid to upper 60s for dew points. Again, this is tropical air. This is Florida air. The weather deck was very warm out there with all that humidity up in the air. So your future cast tonight, we'll have their storms moving on through later on tonight. They should weaken a little bit, but they'll still probably move on through later on tonight and then refire throughout the morning hours. So tune in to News Watch 12 today for the latest on that. And then throughout the day on Tuesday, we'll catch a little bit of a break with some afternoon development possible as well. So we'll definitely keep you posted on that before finally catching a break through Wednesday. So your forecast for tonight, though, is not going to look too bad at all. We'll be at, actually will be bad, I should say. Showers and thunderstorms, 63 degrees. And then heading towards tomorrow, more storms possible. Highs of around 80 degrees. And then that Northwoods Furniture 7-day forecast as the 4th of July is in view. Independence Day. The day itself is looking good. It's the evening hours we had to keep an eye on for chances of storms. Temperatures in the 80s, and then we head to 70s again by Sunday. Lane?